everybody, welcome back to Divination Diva. So this is going to be a video about what is something that you should do to take your career to the next level. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. Let's see. What is something that you should do to take your career to the next level? Let's see. Oh God. Guys, one second. Guys, the immediate message I heard when I took out the cards is your career is already at a very good level. One second, I will just, okay. Your career is already at a very good level. 10 of Swords, 9 of Cups, Queen of Wands, and 2 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. You are doing exceptional in your life. Like, exceptional is the only word. It is just you are mentally stressed, and stressed for no reason because we have the 2 of Swords. All you have to do is you have to keep taking care of yourself the way you are right now, the way you are working on yourself, the way you are moving ahead in your life, the way you are taking action, all those things. You just have to keep doing that, and you are all good to go. There is literally nothing else that you have to worry about. Literally nothing else. You are actually doing so good in your life. Let's see. Yes. Oh my God, guys. Okay, again, you were not so happy about something in the past, maybe a venture, a job. For many, it could be your love life, your relationships also, and you're carrying that trauma and you're projecting that trauma into your life right now. Let go of that past, okay? Because the future is very promising, it's very stable, it's very grounding, it's very growth oriented. Queen of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles, this shows immense stability. Okay, it shows patience, it shows stability, it shows the good kind of money, growth, everything. Very, very grounded energy. For everybody, for anybody who is building something right now, it is a slow moving energy, whatever you are building, yes, but that doesn't mean it's not moving and you are in the right direction. Please remember that. Keep putting the work that you are putting because you are in the right direction for sure. This is wonderful energy, guys. Many of you, because we have the Queen of Pentacles over here, many of you I see are doing something which is nurturing. Okay, it could be a business, it could be a job, something maybe related to food or herbs or something that nurtures or cares for something or somebody. You could be maybe nurturing animals or plants or human beings. Maybe you're making clothes also, because clothes also keep us warm, they keep us safe. Many of you could be in this skincare or hair care, something which is nurturing, something which is caring. That is something that you want to do, and yes, it is the perfect thing for you. Please keep on doing that, and you are really going to be very successful in it. Let's see for this. Guys, you need to let go of your past. You really need to. This has come up again. You really need to let go of your past beliefs, and who maybe there could be a past person also who has really made you believe that you can't do good in your life. No, 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 no. You really need to let go of your past and you really need to trust yourself. You are going to do exceptional. You are going to do exceptional, is the word I hear. Keep trusting your intuition, keep trusting your own self, keep on doing what you usually do. Page of Wands energy. Trust your creative spirit, trust your inner child, trust your risk taking energy. Do all that, and yeah, you're going to be successful. You guys are going to be successful for sure. This is good energy, guys. This is very good energy, actually. Let's see what else comes up. If you are not wanting to introduce creative things right now, just go ahead with whatever you have. So maybe you have 5 to 10 products that you sell. Perfect. Yes, you might want to do more, or you do carry the potential to do more, but it's okay if you don't do that right now. It is absolutely okay. Yeah. Don't overthink and don't stress. First, whatever you have right now, with whatever you are doing right now, go ahead with that, and maybe promote that, or just bring in more clients, or yeah. For now, just focus on what you have and grow that, and slowly you will start different things, or you'll start new things. For now, just focus on whatever you have and keep on growing it. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Hope this helps. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.